Hello, welcome to a new episode of Mostly Engineering and another part in our Enigma build series. So, and let's look at the progress we made so far on the reversing drum. And I have to warn you, it's not very much because time in the last weeks was extremely rare and unfortunately will be also in the weeks to come. But what we managed to do is first the 3D printed parts. So we have the pin plate and then the central columns. These look more or less exactly the same as in the plan. This part is a millimeter shorter for a reason that will come apparent in a second. But other than this, these are exactly the same. And I don't think we have to change them any further because all the iterations for the mechanics and so on and so forth we already did with the central column for our rotor, and side by side you see how similar they are from this side and from this side as well. So this is already a tested design. A little bit different is the point with the metal parts, and you have the backing plate and this plate that didn't existed before. And this clearly shows that no plane A survives contact with reality. And reality in this case just simply means that for the wedges, I would have needed aluminum plate that is 30 millimeters thick. But for me that's not available, so I can get 12 millimeters, what is a little bit too short. And the next step is 15 millimeters, what accidentally I already had lying around. And rather than just milling them off the top, I decided to change the design a little bit and use this 2 millimeters of extra material to make a tighter connection. Because now we have the backing plate and this plate goes under here, something like this. And now the wedges get bolted to the breastplate. And additional to this connection, it's held on now by this entire edge, and this will give us a much tighter connection and some other advantages I'm going to talk about when we are talking about the badges. But this is for a future episode, and this is already everything for this. So as I said, a very short episode. I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless, and if you have questions, comments, as always, let them down below, and I try to answer them as quickly and correctly as possible. And all that's left to say now is thanks for watching, and see you guys the next time. Bye bye.